Welcome back to another Dollar Tree Empties. I don't have that many to share, but I'm just ready to get them out of the house. First, we'll start with kids stuff. So I did find these Crayola bathtub finger paints at the Dollar Tree, and we got a blue one, a green one, and I do recommend the blue one. These are not stained or anything like that. They're easy to clean up. Recommend the blue one. It's more potent and you can see it really well. This is more of like a neon green and you can barely see it. So next time I maybe purchase like a red or something like that to go with the blue. But these are totally worth the $1. They're lots of fun for the kids. And then I have a kids foaming bubble bath in watermelon. 20 fluid ounces. This stuff's amazing, smells great. The bubbles last forever and a little goes a long way. So 2 items. These are not empty, but like the last empties, I just wanted to shed some light on some perfumes. So from this EAD brand here, these are knockoff perfumes. Obviously they're from the Dollar Tree, but we have Pink Chill and Pink Waves. Highly recommend either one of these. Pink Chill especially. It lingers on your skin. It lasts. It's not overpowering. It's a very nice smell. Love this one. Pink Waves, very nice as well. Just doesn't linger very well on the skin is all. The Assured brand Cotton Browns. There's 80 in here for $1. Number 1. What's not to love about that? Number 2, they work great. They don't really rip apart. They don't leave fuzzies everywhere. At least not for me. And I just love these. I was purchasing like $3 cotton rounds at Walmart. You get like 30 in the ovals. Man, you know. And then I started purchasing them again at Dollar Tree. And I fell back in love with this 80 count cotton rounds. You can't beat 80 for $1. They work really well for what they're supposed to do. Shampoo and conditioner here. I have the Daily Defense Coconut Oil Shampoo and Conditioner. This stuff's amazing. I probably repurchased it at least 3 times. I really love it. I'm going to repurchase it again. It's nice. It cleans my hair. It lathers very nicely. It rinses well. I like that the scent lingers, and the conditioner does help detangle my hair, and my hair feels so moisturized using these products. You get 16 fluid ounces for $1, and I've been seeing Daily Defense at the Dollar General as well, so be on the lookout for that if you cannot find this shampoo at your Dollar Tree. Maybe you can at your Dollar General. The Dollar General's been carrying a lot of Dollar Tree products on their dollar aisle. So moving on, told you I don't have much, but I have 2 packs of razors here. So I have the Assured 6-blade ones. You get 2 in here, but I love these razors. They are so nice, and I will stock up, especially when I find them soon. I'll be stocking up because I love these for summer. They give me a very nice close shave. I've never had any nicks or cuts with these, and I love them. I can't say enough about them. I love those. And then I have some of the Assured 5-blade, and you get 3 in here. And these are really nice. They have like a rubber grip on their handles. I have a nice moisturizing strip on there as well. These are nice. You can't beat these for $1 either. I have had some nicks in the past from these, but that doesn't deter me from buying them. I really like these razors. So whenever I can find them, I usually pick up 1 or 2 of them. Kind of random, kind of not, but a lint roller that's on its way out. It has nail art on it and latex. These are 2 in a pack, and I believe they're about 30 sheets or so each. But they come with very pretty prints. If you can see here, this is kind of like a marbly kind of design. I love these, and highly recommend any lint rollers for nail stamping from the Dollar Tree. Definitely totally worth the $1. And they come in so many different sizes at the Dollar Tree, the lint rollers, but I love these fun pretty prints. You can also find these at Dollar General, just, you know, an FYI. I forgot to put this with the kids stuff earlier, but I have the Bolero bath bombs, the French lavender and citrus. You get 3 in here. These are paraben free and color free, but Connor really loves bath bombs, and I've been buying the Bolero bath bombs for him for a while. You cannot beat 3 in a pack. They smell wonderful, and It says these are for all skin types. He's 5. He's never had any skin irritations, rash, bumps, anything come up on him from using these. They're fine. For him anyways. And he really doesn't have sensitive skin. But, just, so you know. And these are so moisturizing. It says nourishing on the packaging, and they are. If you like taking baths yourself as an adult, I do recommend trying out their bath bombs. They're very moisturizing on your skin. Love those. I do have a makeup wipe package here, and this is the Nice and Clean, and unfortunately this is my last pack of Nice and Clean that I was able to find at the Dollar Tree. When they have these, I snatch, but I think that the Bolero stuff has kind of replaced them getting the Nice and Clean. Maybe, maybe not. But you get 25 in here, and these wipes are so nice. They're so saturated. They remove my makeup quickly, cleanse my face nicely, and I felt really clean after using them. So I really love these wipes. And this is the Deep Action, so I have like an orange kind of scent to it. And yes, wonderful wipes. If you can ever find the Nice and Clean, I highly recommend picking them up for $1. So last but not least, we have some candles now. Just a few. But I have Bahama Breeze in there. And I'm going to repurpose this jar. Look how adorable. Love that. There was not much of a throw. It smelled really good in the jar, but not, it didn't fill the kitchen or anything like that. So, kind of disappointing with that, but it was pretty burning. And has a pretty jar. Next up, we have Mulberry and Fig Delight jar candle. Now, some of the Dollar Tree candles for me have not been burning that well lately. Candles in general seem to not be burning that well lately for me. But a little cute mason jar. I think these make really great gifts. They do burn decent enough. These two that I'm showing you here are not that strong. Smelled great in the jar, but they didn't put off mass throws. So that was disappointing. And then I have Cranberry Chutney. Once again, a little mason jar. Didn't burn all the way down. But this one had a better throw than the Mulberry one, and it at least filled the kitchen, and it smells good right out of the jar right now. Or I'll just like chip the wax out and use it in my burner. Can't quit smelling it. It smells so good. I think this was a seasonal one. Not entirely sure, but if you see this one, I definitely think you should try it for yourself. So yes, that's my empties. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more empties and reviews and Dollar Tree related videos. So thank you guys always for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Thank you guys always for watching.